how to create thumbnail using PowerPoint. Now just take a look. We will open the new PowerPoint, then select blank presentation and go to design. Then you can choose which design you prefer here, and make sure, look, this slide size, you can choose either standard, but I recommended to use widescreen. So this is our design. However, you can choose also another templates using our free templates online. Here you can type the category. For me, I will search education. Then you can choose which templates you prefer. Now I will use this one. Then click create. So this is our design. First, just select this one and change the text. I will change to how to create thumbnail using PowerPoint, and I will change the font size to say 80. You can choose the size, and I will delete this one, and I will insert the shapes to make more good looking this one. So you can select either banner or this shapes rectangle. Now I will use this rectangle here. I will right click mouse button, then send to back. Again, I will go to insert, then rectangle. I will put here, and I will copy this one because I need 3 shapes. Copy, and I will paste here. So I will mouse right click, then back. Then I will change this one to shape fill, then this one. Then I will change the font color to red, this one, and here also right click, back, send to back. Then I will change this shape fill to red here. Now I will change the font. I will choose my favorite, Cornerstone. Okay, I will adjust. How to create thumbnail using PowerPoint. So you can insert any style, or you insert also images. I will insert here, insert, then picture here. Then you can browse the file location for your picture. Now I will choose my logo here. Just adjust the size. And you can also change the effects, like just select this image, then here you can change the effects. Yeah, look, you can change also the color, and also you can choose the format also here, either this one, either this one, this one. You can choose which format you wish or you need. Now I will keep up as is this one. So this is our thumbnail. However, this still PowerPoint format, so you cannot attach into your video as thumbnail. So what will we do? Just click File, then Save As, then Browse. You can choose which location to save. Now we will save to desktop here, then we'll change the file name, how to create thumbnail using PowerPoint. I will just put thumb, then either PNG or you can save also JPEG. For me, I prefer to PNG, Portable Network Graphics format here, and click Save. So now it will ask you which slide do you want to export. So since we are make our, I will show you here, we made this thumbnail in our slide number 1. We have 11 slides. So since this one is we make only in the first slide, so we will save as. Again, browse, we'll put desktop, then save as PNG, save. So we will choose, instead of all slides, we will choose only just this one. Click. So now if we will minimize this one, this is our thumbnail. Look, if you see the properties, it's showing PNG, not this PowerPoint file. We will open this one. Look, this is our thumbnail. Thank you and God bless.